Why? Cynthia, I really wanna try this. Mommy, I wanna eat this. Hey, Tata, hey, Tata.
Yes, baby.
How will you be the boy, yeah?
I beat a brother.
Yeah, and Mommy is gonna be the baby.
Mm-hmm.
And Sammy is gonna be the children. Now be the dad.
Can't focus.
Well, yeah. You cameras have what's known as a focal length. Remember your focal length.
No, my teacher did. No, I just want to go your way. So I have to pretend to be as he said. Mommy, I want to eat one more can.
Okay.
I just love these Runch gummies.
Like sitting in the barracks shining your belt buckles. Gotta shine your brass. Mommy don't know how to shine things?
No.
It's a hand-me-down from the Marine Corps.
Mm.
Sitting around shining buckles and brass. Gotta be shiny. Gotta look like a mirror. Your boots should look like a mirror. The brim of your cover should look like a mirror. And all your brass, you better be able to see it from a mile away shining in the sun. You get the light on it, it's all nice and shiny.
Oh, yeah.
As opposed to that.
Yeah.
And that's not even really bad. That
Mommy,
looks
Yes,
like
baby.
I love you.
I love you too, baby.
that.
Mhm.
Big difference. Take a little pride.
What are the balloons doing?
What?
What are the balloons doing?
What balloons?
The slime balloons?
I know nothing about balloons, baby. Pie, so it's coming off her head before it gets down in the cracks.
Mm-hmm.
What are you doing, Bergen? Never dull.
You okay?
Barracks smell like Never Dull, rifle oil, and boot polish.
Okay.
Everybody's sitting around cleaning their stuff.
Okay. How about this is your... Hey, how
Notice I said rifle oil and not gun oil.
It's your bag.
Because in the Marine Corps, you don't have a rifle. Well, you do, but your firearm is a rifle, a piece, a pistol, a sidearm, a long gun. C, for reference, Full Metal Jacket. This is my rifle, this is my gun, this is for fighting, this is for fun. There is a difference.
Show me your nose.
Why do my kids always go in is for Tatai's nose?
That's Tiku said it like that's N. That's Tatay's nose. Like what, mommy, that's Tatay's nose. Because it looks like really your nose.
Ta-da! See how easy that is? Nice and shiny and glittery.
Yeah.
Now the back. It's gonna take another hour. So see, this way you got nice shiny gold and silver coins for the kids to find in their Easter eggs. What was that?
An egg.
An egg?
Yeah.
What's the egg doing?
Cracking.
Cracking? The
Yeah.
egg is cracking. Okay. Too much juice on my hand. There's a little shiny coin. I need to get some cotton rags down to wipe this with. Paper towels just ain't it. And voila. There you go, Mommy. Another shiny coin. What are you doing to my work, woman? Cook the rice into the bowl.
I just use one cup.
Dissolve a little more.
Mm-hmm.
What you doing, Sammy Pearl? Whoa. I cooked their Easter egg stuff out.
Well, I don't wanna be on the mic with all these words that I think are right, and I'm a child of details, and when I pin it, it's heads, not tails. Don't you think